you want to be X or O? Vanessa.
X.
X. You are X. I am O. So let me start to give you an example. So let's see. I'll put my O here and I choose a letter and say the structure. So I says insect. Okay? Now it's your turn. Please make an X. What letter is this? Milyen betű ez? What letter is this?
F.
Aha! So please say the structure. F.
F says F.
Very good.
F says farmer.
Uh-huh. Okay. Now I'll choose this square and this. D says doll. It's your turn.
A says apple.
Oh, well done, well done. Very good. K says kite. Your turn.
C says girl.
Oh, okay. I thought you said B. So what is the letter? What is this letter? Let's say the letters. A, B, C, D, E,
F,
G. G is the letter. G is the sound. G a betű, G a hang. Egy picit nehézkés lehet az elején, de majd belejössz. So, G says girl. Well done. H says hat. Your turn.
E says crab.
Nice. And you are the winner of the game. Good job, Vanessa. You made 3 in a row. And before we move on, I'll play a game with you, another one. You have to close your eyes. Close your eyes. Okay. Open your eyes, please. Now, what is missing?
E is missing. E says
Egg. E says egg.
E says egg.
Egg. Very good. Now, please close your eyes again. Close your eyes. Open your eyes. What is missing now? Sing the song. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. What comes next? Let's see, Vanessa. Let's see. H, I, J. 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 Now, please say the sentence.
J says juice.
Very good. Let's learn some new words. You have to listen and repeat. Listen and repeat, okay?
Bag.
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 Bag. Nice. Now let's do the next.
Crayon.
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 Well done. Very good. Now let's click on another arrow.
Ruler.
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 Ruler. Ruler.
Ruler.
Ruler.
Ruler.
Very nice. Well done. Let's see the next one.
Notebook.
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 Okay. Let's see this.
Pencil.
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 Pencil. Nice. And I think we have one more.
Book.
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 Book. Book. Very good work. Now let's check if you remember the words. Okay. Go ahead. Look at the picture and say.
Bag.
Bag. Very good job. What is it?
Book.
Book. Book.
Book.
Very good. What is it? No. Füzet. Notebook.
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 Ru.
Ruler.
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 Crayon.
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 And pencil.
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 Very good. Now let's go back and let's make sentences. So what is it?
It's a bag.
It's a bag. It's a
bag.
What color is the bag, Vanessa?
It's yellow.
Well done. Very good answer. Do you have a bag?
Yes.
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
What color is your bag?
It's all blue.
It's blue.
It's blue.
What is it, Vanessa?
It's a book.
Book. Book.
Book.
Book. Very good. So what is it?
It's a book.
Very good. Do you like to read books? Mit kérdeztem?
Hogy szeretek olvasni.
Könyveket. Nagyon ügyesen lefordítottad, látod? Megérted. Do you like to read books, Vanessa?
Yes.
I do. Very nice. Let's move on. What is it?
No. It's
Notebook. What is notebook? Mit is jelent?
Füzet.
Very good. What is it?
It's
a
ruler.
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 Very good job. What color is the ruler?
It's green.
És hogyha hosszabb mondatot akarunk mondani, akkor mit mondunk? Az előbb...
A green ruler.
Wow, nagyon okos vagy, nagyon ügyes vagy. Well done, Vanessa. It's a green ruler. Very good. Now look at the next picture. What is it?
It's a crayon.
Very nice. And what color is the crayon?
It's purple.
Purple. Purple.
Purple.
Very good. What is it?
It's
a
pen.
Pencil.
Pencil.
It's a pencil. Very good job. One more time.
It's a pencil.
Good. Very nice. What is it?
It's a bag.
Now, can you type bag for me? Bag. Please click after you type the word. Very good job. What is it?
It's a
ruler.
Ruler.
Very good. Can you type ruler for me? Very nice. What is it, Vanessa?
It's a
Hmm?
no,
N. Note
note
book. Notebook. Say that again, please. Okay, first type and then you'll say it again. Notebook. Where is it? Click. Vanessa, click. Almost good. Let's type N O T E. Note. Let's see. Very good work. Well done, Vanessa.